to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review EyesCrush box for the month of May. So this is the colorful and very interesting box which I've received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you that I got this box through Scriber. Scriber is an amazing website through which you can order your subscription boxes, and they have like almost all the subscription boxes, so it will be easier for you to pick a right one for you. I guess that's one thing I really like about Scriber. Then the second thing is that you'll get some discount. Yes, I will be giving you a code. By using that code, you will get 10% discount, which is amazing. Then the third thing is they have COD available, which is amazing. So yeah, that's why I'm telling you about this. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the link in the description box. Now let's come back to this box. So the name is EyesCrush, and by the name you can just obviously guess that this is regarding your eyes. Yes, it has all the product related to your eyes, which is amazing. The price for this one is 699 rupees, and they have 3 months, 6 month subscriptions as well. And if you go with 3 months, 6 month subscription, of course you will save some money. Plus, you will get some additional product, which is amazing. I will be mentioning the offers in the description box, prices with the additional product, so you guys can check it. Then they have boxes for both men and women. So, of course, you can select. I mean, this box is not only for girls. Of course, guys, you can also get this box. And regarding the sunglass, yes, you can select the type, as in like what style you want. And if you don't want to pick a specific sunglass, a specific style for you, what you can do is you can leave that part to EyesCrush, and they will select the perfect sunglass according to your face type. Yes, you have to select the face type. Plus, if you wear powered sunglasses, yes, they have option for that as well. You just have to send your prescription, not subscription, okay, prescription, and they will send you a powered sunglass. But for that, you have to pay 999 extra, I guess. I will be mentioning all the detail in the description box. So I guess it's 999, and you will get a powered sunglass according to your eye power. So that is amazing. Now let's just quickly see what all it has. Now let's start with the first thing, which is the info card. So this is the info card, and it says, "Hey May," and the first product I have is from Vita. This is organic eye lift under eye cream gel. So this is the one. You can just see the packing. It's so nice. Beautiful packing. Let me open this and show you. Price for this one is 699 rupees, and I totally love the packing. So yes, I'm looking forward for this one. This is the eye cream, and the quantity for this is 20 grams, and it says Miracle Repair Eye Gel Cream. Repairs dark circles, under eye treatment, cures puffy eye, anti-wrinkle and anti-aging. It has cucumber, jojoba, tulsi and retinol. So looks nice. Manufacture of March 2019, 699. I've already told you the price. Expiry is for 2 years from the manufacturing date. So this is the first product. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is sunglass of your choice. So this is the one. Let me just open it and show you which I have chosen. It's really nice and quite different. I don't have anything of the sort, so you can just see. And let me wear it and show you. Wow. So this is the style, and I think it looks nice on my face. And if I talk about the quality, you can just have a look. The quality of this sunglass is quite nice. So yes, really impressed this time. It's really nice. Quite happy with this one. The price for this one is 1899 rupees. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is from Chronocare, and a perfect product especially for summers. Actually, you need this in winters as well. But for summers, must have product. It's a sunscreen from Chronocare. This is the one. The price for this one is 295 rupees for I can't see the quantity here. Okay, 30 ml of the product, and this is SPF 50. It says ultra light texture, non-greasy touch, free from sulfate, paraben, silicon and mineral oil. And as you know, Chronocare products are quite nice. So yes, I'm happy, and it's quite handy, so you can just keep this in your handbag. So really nice. Now moving on to the next one. The next one are these. These are multi-use wipes, and of course very useful product. Again, 49 rupees is the price, and I think very useful product. What more I can say? Good product. Now, the next one is by Kamakshi Botanical. This is a fresh pink clay instant glow face mask, and this is the one. Yes, this is the one. The price for this one is 650 rupees for 30 grams, and the manufacture of April 2019, based before 6 months from the manufacturing date, and the ingredients are quite nice. It has multani mitti, bentonite powder, fresh pink clay, and looks nice, rose powder, and also I'm looking forward for this. This is the one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is this. This is the EyesCrush Fox Leather Soft Case. The price for this one is 299 rupees. Of course, you need this for your sunglass. So again, quite useful product. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is again from Chronocare. This is a body lotion, spices of Rajasthan, it says, and you know Chronocare products are free from sulfate, parabens, mineral oil. So yeah, and the size, yes, quite handy. You can just keep this in your handbag. So while traveling, a good product, I would say. 75 rupees is the price for this one. And that's all what I have received in my EyesCrush box for May month. The total worth of all the product is 3,900 rupees, which is amazing. So yes, I'm quite happy. I love the sunglass, and of course you can choose a particular sunglass for you, which is nice. And if you are really confused, you don't know what sunglass will suit you, so you can just select your face type and everything, and they will send you a perfect sunglass according to your face type, which is great, I guess. So yeah, that's all for EyesCrush. And now one more thing before ending the video, let me just remind you about my giveaway, guys. Yes, there is a giveaway going on my channel. I will be mentioning the link in the description box. So go ahead and of course participate. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.